Go.
Okay, we're gonna do the hot sauce challenge, which is basically hot sauce on a spoon.
Do you just like try and make a straight face? Or like try not to panic?
Yeah. Try not to panic.
Or try not to spit it out? Oh, that's easy. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Y'all are dumb.
Some more.
I think I need another hit. Stop, you're gonna make me jump.
My lips are chapped. It makes it hurt really bad.
I know. Whoops.
I think it's on the floor.
Alright, ready?
You just look at the bottom of the spoon.
Am not.
I'm gonna throw it in.
There you go, paper towel.